What is a home designer and how to choose one? A home designer specifies design, materials, stylishness, as well as details for residential building projects. In lots of states in the U.S., home designers aren't mandated to have an architectural diploma or architectural license. Many people may evaluate these kinds of home designers not having these qualifications to be an undesirable factor. Basically, that is definitely not even close to the truth. A professional within the field of non-commercial design, a home designer is the most suitable choice that will lead you through the design and building undertaking. A great home designer generally possesses years of expertise not only designing and drafting the construction docs, in addition will often have put in many years on actual construction sites performing the actual job themselves. Now, this isn't at all times the situation, however. These people with this kind of knowledge are usually best to design your home. Not just because of their experience and expertise in the profession, but their rates tend to be more affordable when compared to a registered architect's charges will be.